What a week. What a week. Welcome back to the Crypto Factor. Welcome back to your favorite cryptopreneurship show. My name is Paul. Today, we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price. We're going to be talking about cryptocurrencies, the meme coin mania, if it's going to continue. We're going to be looking at altcoins. We're going to be talking about a whole bunch of stuff and answering your questions in the chat. So make sure you put your questions in the chat right now so I can answer them. And I do see 001 here, and I do see Hengen. I'm going to be reading out your comments and answering all your comments soon. Glad you are here. We have a poll up here. Make sure you check it out and click what you think, which altcoin, meme coin you think is gonna pump next. So what happened this week? What happened these weeks? Things were insane. First of all, Floki, but forget Floki. Look at Pepe. Look what Pepe did. Pepe coin just went insane, and we did call it. I'm going to show you when in a second. Let's have a look at Bitcoin first, and let me scratch my nose. I need to scratch my nose. Sorry about that. All right, let's go look at Bitcoin right now. What's going on with Bitcoin? And we do see Bitcoin holding 28,900. It does seem to be in this range right here from about 27,800 to 30K. We gotta break 30K, guys. Listen, if you missed Bitcoin, if you were waiting for Bitcoin to go down so you can buy the dip, you have to at some point say a certain level will make you bullish. Even the biggest bears need to change their narrative once they're proven wrong. That proof is 30K. 30K is the most important level. Why? First of all, 30K is the level we called after the first all-time high of Bitcoin in the last bull market. We said it's going to bounce over 30K, and it did bounce off of 30K. We had a double top, which we also talked about. Then we went down. Once we got down below 52K, we said get out. And then once we broke 30K, I said, okay, that's it. We're in the bear market. That 30K is a major resistance, but also major support. We need to get above that. So even if you're the biggest bear, once we close above 30K, you gotta become bullish. You're the last ones. The ones that don't, they're wrong. That's completely wrong. You have to have your base levels, right? So right now we are at 28,962. I do believe we are still bullish, in my opinion, and I do believe we're going to hit and pass that 30K. Talking about cryptocurrencies in general, though, let's have a look at the bubbles. This is the top 100. Everything is in green. Pepe is actually down a little bit, but I think it's going to bounce back up. But everything is in green here on the daily. On the weekly, we had some going up, we had some going down, and of course the monthly is a different picture. Now if we go to the daily, we can go to the top 200 here, and you'll see UMA is pumping again. We have Ajax, which we've been talking about for a while, pumping. And of course, if we go to the top 300, basically we have a green market. Turbo not doing so well. I really think Turbo is going to do well. We're going to be talking about it later on. I'll tell you why. Then if we go to 400 market cap, Fort, I've seen this pump a lot, and I think it's been doing very well. As a matter of fact, what's the weekly doing on this? Okay, maybe not so much. But anyway, so there you have it. Let's go back to the top 100 here. And let's go to the live stream and let's see what's going on, because right now Bitcoin is holding. I think we're going to break that 30K level. I do believe we're going to hold above it, and I do see a 40, 50K Bitcoin by the end of this year. I've talked about it many times around the blockchain and certain other cryptocurrency shows, both on this channel and other channels. Now, what's going on with Pepe coin? Because we called Pepe coin. We called Pepe coin about 2 weeks ago, right? If you go here to my channel and you actually go to videos over here, if you scroll down, you will see this altcoin forest right here, hidden altcoin gems that can explode. Which cryptocurrency is this? This video has Pepe inside it, and this was 13 days ago. Whoever got in, it is time. Sorry, whoever got in there would be very, very, very happy indeed. And we made other videos talking about Pepe coin as well. This one was very recent, of course, but if you go to my homepage here, you'll see we have short videos you go to shorts basically, you will see various short videos. talking about different cryptocurrencies. So we called it, man. And if you go to my community page, and I really suggest you go to my community and check out my community page on YouTube generally, this community tab right here. You'll see right here, this is when I called poo. 10 hours before it pumped, by the way, it went 3,000%. I gave 2 warnings. I did a video and I did this post telling you, here you go. I took PEPE profits and put them, and one of them was poo, where I got into meme coins. And if you scroll down, you'll see more right here, okay? So let's talk. Let's go to the chat, see what's going on. Who do we see? We see 001, we see Hagen, we see Goku 2000, or 215. We see Hania, we see Shah, we see Goku. We're going to be answering all your questions. This is great. If you haven't hit the like button, please hit the like button. It would really help out a lot. We make so many great calls on this channel, and people miss them. People miss them, and it's a shame because they follow other influencers, and you know, a lot of them are scammers. A lot of them don't know what they're talking about. I mean, come on. We called Solana at $2. We called Decentraland at a couple of cents. We called ADA at a couple of cents. We've done some great things on this channel, PEPE, all this stuff, but I think we need more views. I think we need more subscribers. So if you agree, hit that like button. If not, okay, your choice, but hit that like button, would really appreciate it. And yeah, let me go into your questions here and let's see what we have. And let me drink some water while you ask your questions in the chat. Okay. Jesus coin is the next coin for me, says 001. The coming of Jesus. Jesus is going to get resurrected yet again, and we're waiting for him in crypto. I am down 50% after investing in Mong coin, hoping to break 1 billion. Look, I think Mong is going to do well. As a matter of fact, I'll tell you a couple of meme coins pretty soon. I'll tell you what I'm in and why I think they're going to go up. We'll do that after I answer some questions in the chat. Sorry about that, chat. Wojak and Bob will be next, as Goku 215. I kind of agree. Somewhat. There's more. Houston! What's up? Did you 100x on PEPE? I can't tell you what I made. Look at the date of the video and do the math. I mean, come on. I don't think PEPE and Wojak are fly-by-night cryptos. They were actual memes before the memes existed. Yeah, there is a long-term case for these two cryptocurrencies. Probably Bob as well. We're going to be talking about it later, but yes, there are some cryptocurrencies that are going to do well. I wouldn't be surprised if PEPE and a couple of more actually get closer to Shiba Inu as this meme market mania continues. Now, keep in mind, if we do continue enough, that Shiba Inu market cap, as more people come into meme coins, that Shiba Inu market cap and market caps in general are going to go up. Right? Right now it's what, 5 billion? I think it was 45 billion at its peak. So imagine a lot of people saying, oh, it can't 10x, it can't 20x, it can't 50x because of market cap. Yes, but you have to know how to look at market cap and calculate the all-time highs and the influx of people coming in. Market cap goes up. Does that make sense? You have to keep that in mind. Snibu, haven't heard of that one, or Nibu. Check this, check out this, check out what? It's important to list memes that are available on MEXC because of the gas fees. Yeah, no, I agree, but look, Goku, I agree, and I've been talking about MEXC for a while. As a matter of fact, if you go to my website here, let me just show you. If you go to cryptofactor.net and you actually go to affiliates up here, you'll see I have MEXC right here. MEXC exchange, especially for US citizens, this works perfectly, and it does list a lot of cryptocurrencies. By the way, if you're not affiliated in any exchanges, please choose my affiliate links. It will really help out the channel. But generally speaking, you have to understand that the fees are high, and it's a blessing in disguise. Let me explain. See, the fees are high. People don't get into these cryptocurrencies or meme coins on Uniswap, but they're only available on Uniswap, giving you time to pay to play. So I get in on a lot of these meme coins on Uniswap, pay the $80 fees, sometimes more, to have that advantage, even if I only put $100 or $200 into these coins, because I expect them to at least 5 or 10x. So I do the math, I pay to play, and that way I get in before them. Does that make sense? Hit the like button if you understand. what I'm saying here and why, and if that makes sense to you. But generally speaking, you pay to play. It's a blessing in disguise. Plus, all those fees are burning Ethereum, so Ethereum should be taking off. Because don't forget, Ethereum is now being burnt when you make transactions and when you pay fees. So basically, we have less Ethereum, which should shoot up the price, if that makes sense. So that's a double-edged sword. It's actually good for Ethereum. Does that make sense? Where was I? I gotta look at the chat. I just lost the chat. Where are we? Poo will pump hard tonight. I don't know if it's going to pump hard tonight. We called Poo 3,000%, well, over 3,000% pump after we called it, and we took profits. We didn't stick around. Now, we have kept small bags to sell on the way up, but yeah, we took out initial investment and profits on Poo Coin. And by the way, pay attention. Tomorrow, I'm releasing another video on meme coins, and I'll be talking about 2 meme coins I did not mention in yesterday's video. If you haven't seen yesterday's video, by the way, make sure you watch it. A lot of these cryptocurrencies haven't pumped yet. We did call Poo. If you go to my videos here, this one right here, the next PEPE meme coins that can 1000x. I mean this. This has got 14,000 views. Actually got more. It's got about 16,000 right now. But this video, watch this video, is extremely important if you don't want to miss out. Let's go back to the chat and answer your questions here. 35 people watching and only 3 likes. Well, now we have 60 people watching and only 26 likes. Crypto GPT dumping hard in the good time to buy it. Yes, but you know, if you look at Crypto GPT real quick here, give me a second. You're saying it's dumping, but on the contrary, I think it's not dumping. Let me just find it for you real quick, because I did say it's going to do well. Where are we? Well, here, let me go to my favorites. There you go, GPT right here. Crypto GPT is actually up 10%. So yeah, I think it's a good buy. I think Crypto GPT will do well, as a matter of fact. Lambo Coin, yeah, Lambo Coin might do well, actually. Mrs. Pepe is going to the moon. So Mrs. Pepe, Pepe's wife, apparently. It's a good play. I'm not sure if it's going to do well or if it's going to dump. I don't know much about it. But yeah, Mrs. Pepe, a lot of Pepe coins are going to try and take success from Pepe and just name their coin Pepe something, Pepe Doge or Pepe Shib or Pepe I don't know what. Be very Pepe Moon. Be very careful. Be careful. There's one Pepe, and the next Pepe will be Pepe. Okay, you have to look for other plays, but Pepe is Pepe. Don't try and confuse them. Yo, KLM. My nose is itchy as fuck. Oh, so right? Hell yeah, live, baby. I have Pepe, Baby Pepe, Wojak, Bob, Mongo, and Mumu. Okay. Yasupol. Yasufile, good to see you doing well. Latest thoughts on Algorand. I've got some concerns. I told you it's going to be late. I told you last bull market it's going to go up in the next bull market, and I told you that you need to wait. You have time to buy Algorand. I even made a video at some point telling you I got out of Algorand temporarily to get into other cryptocurrencies, but even then I had a small bag because I did believe that it's not its time yet. I thought AI is going to take off. Then I made a video talking about how meme coins are going to take off, and meme coins took off, so that was lucky. But I did believe AI was going to take off more before, to be honest. And it did, but then meme coins took over. Let's see if we go back to AI. Faith in Wasi. Wasi might be a good coin. Rene Montenegro, what's up, my man? It's been a while. Baby Pepe. What's up, brother? Ahmed Yusuf, what's up, my man? How you doing? By the way, if anybody wants to talk to me one-on-one, you know, a lot of times I get comments telling me, Paul, I want to, do you have a group? Do you have this? Do you have that? No, I do not. I only work with companies, but since last week, I've actually made one-on-one coaching or one-on-one calls available for the general public, just for a bit though. Just for a bit until this bull market kicks in and companies start hiring me and so on. As you know, I work as a C-level positions in marketing and sales. But if you do want to hire me, if you are interested in a one-on-one coach, you can actually go to cryptomarketingcoach.com here and you can actually book me one-on-one, or you can go to my website, cryptofactor.net, and just click hire me here, and you can just go to one-on-one coaching over here. This won't be available for long. I'm not going to be doing it for long, and if I do, I'm going to have to raise the prices for it to make sense. The truth is, I don't want to be, ever since I beat cancer for the 3rd time, I don't want to be working too much. I'm trying to get away from it. I'm trying to do the bare minimum. Well, and that's why I made this right now. I made it available to the public. It's not going to be available for long, and if it is, I'm gonna have to raise prices for it to make sense, so I don't have to work full-time for a company. The link is below this video if you are interested. Enough shilling. Can I buy Pepe on MEXC? I think KLM now it's available, but I'm not sure. But I do know Binance Exchange, Binance listed it, and I think KuCoin or Coinbase or both also listed it. Makes perfect sense, but they get listed on MEXC pretty early. Yes, but not as early, Goku. But yes. If you could always check, obviously always check. Guys, if you ever buy a cryptocurrency, you can always check where it's listed before you buy it. Let me show you how real quick. A lot of people don't know this. It's actually quite surprising. But if you go to coinmarketcap.com here, right? And let's say XRP. Let's choose something like Pepe coin, okay? So there it is. Let's go to Pepe here. So you see the charts here and everything, all good, all dandy. You can verify your contract, you can add it to MetaMask and so on. If you go down to Overview, View, and you click Markets, you can actually see where it's actually listed. So right now, Pepe is listed on Binance, Uniswap, that's a DEX, of course, OKX, Gate.io, Huobi, Bybit, and so on, Poloniex, and MEXC. You asked if it was listed on MEXC. It is. There it is. It's actually on PancakeSwap as well right now, and so on. So basically now exchanges have Pepe coin. All these exchanges, because they wanted a piece of that action, now have Pepe coin, right? So any cryptocurrency you want. So for example, Bob, let's say Bob, right? Bob, the second one right here. So Bob token, if you wanted to buy Bob, and I know it's down right now, hint, hint, if you go to markets right here, you'll see this is where it's listed. Uniswap is that, okay, Huobi, Poloniex, MEXC, and so on. You can actually buy it here. Now, I bought this before on Uniswap and I paid the fees, but yes, you can get it on other exchanges right now. And that's a good thing because you can also sell it on other exchanges right now, yes? So if you buy it, it goes up, you transfer it to an exchange unless you want to take profits fast, and that's where you can get it or sell it. I think the next Pepe coin is Monkey. It might be. I'm not sure. I'm kind of. I heard about it. I looked at it. I'm not sure. Maybe. Hey Paul, any thoughts on Sui? On Sui, no, I have no thoughts. I think it was overrated before. I'm not sure if anything's changed, but I haven't looked into it again. But I thought it was overrated before, and it was. That's why it dumped like shit. Are Americans allowed to trade on MEXC without VPN? I'm not sure, Diane, but you could try and see. I think MEXC is an exchange that Americans can actually use without a VPN, by the way. I'm pretty sure about it, because I remember making a video about it, giving you that option. Check it out, try it out, let me know. Check Nanomatic, new DeFi coin, okay. Pumped hard already, great. I'm not going to check it out. There's no point to check it out right now. Can you shout out Bogcoin? Yes. Bogcoin! I don't know what it is, but yeah, I can shout it out. Think the graph will pump again? Yes, once AI narrative goes up again. And I think meme coins will go into AI and go back into meme and so on. Remember what I just said there. Meme coins, then AI back to meme, and then we'll see, right? Should we hold Pepe coin? I am holding a bag. I took profits. I took my initial investment, and I've left a bag, about $600. It's not a big bag, just in case it moons and goes up more. I'm very happy with a few $1,000s. I'm not too greedy. What about Newt? I don't know anything about it. Are you in Greece? Yes, I am. I have some AI Doge, okay. I do too, by the way, just so you know. What do you think of memes on Arbitrum? I don't know. I just bought it because I wanted to check it out, because I wanted to see what it's like buying a meme coin on Arbitrum, to be honest with you. Plus, I wanted to make a wallet, to make a video about it, just because I wanted to learn Arbitrum and how to bridge and stuff like that. So I decided to buy AI Doge. Or meme coins on the BRC20. I think meme coins on the BRC20 should do very well. You think there are hidden gems? Yes, I think so too. Check this out. This is how you open up a BRC20 wallet. This is an 1000x potential right here. How to buy BRC20 meme coins on Bitcoin for massive gains. You can actually watch that video. And by the way, if you guys are bored and you want to watch some reaction videos, I did an experiment. Embarrassing XRP TikTok videos that should have stayed in drafts. I just actually make fun of some people here. And the same right here as well in this video here. Just doing some experiments. But make sure you don't miss tomorrow's video, meme coin video, that will talk more about meme coins. I'm going to mention some meme coins in this video, but tomorrow I got some huge meme coins that should do very, very well. One of them is new, no one's talking about it yet, that 1000x. I'm not exaggerating. Hit that like button so I can get that video out tomorrow for you to watch. Hit that like button for support. That will make me want to release that video faster, and maybe I release it even faster. I'm watching from Greece. What's up? Awesome, dude. Where in Greece are you? I'm in Glyfada. Can you check out Altcoin? No, I'm not going to check out Altcoin right now. I don't do that, man. This sort of like sideways shilling. I really don't like it, man. Do you think Joe and Gala is a good buy for the latest pullback? Yeah, I think Joe and Gala should be good bets. There are going to be cryptocurrencies that are going to outperform them, but I do think they're a good mid-risk play to see how they do. Why did you say Landwolf was a scam? Because it is a scam. Did you mean the original Landwolf Pepe BF or Landwolf Wolfie, the new version? Oh, dude, I don't know. The first time they told me about Landwolf, I went to Dex Tools and it was 100% tax. So you can see the video or the post. You can check it out. But yeah, the video before that post, the live stream, that's the Landwolf I was talking about. Have you never bought a meme coin when you swap ETH for like Pepe coin? Does incur a taxable event on Coinbase wallet? Oh, I don't know. I don't know about taxes in America because I'm not in America. So I don't know. I'm not sure about that. You have to ask somebody that's when it comes to taxes and stuff like that. You want to ask people that know about that, which evidently they don't even know. But yeah, they can take more responsibility. Pepe, Wojak, Mong, Bob are on MEXC. Awesome. A comprehensive privacy solution featuring a variety of AI safety tools with 100% of the utility income generated from being distributed to I don't know what about it. I have $15 in my wallet, bro. What is the next Pepe? Your fees are gonna be a lot more than that $15, dude. You know what I mean? Unless you're doing it on Binance, on BSC chain, or you put it in exchange, your fees will be over $15. Hit that like button if you want to tell me, if you want me to tell you what meme coins I am holding, what meme coins I'm holding right now that I think they're gonna do well. If I get enough likes, I'll give you a list. I'll give you a list of the meme coins I'm holding. What is a coin you think is low risk? Bitcoin. Like probably a no-brainer to pump. Well, Bitcoin. It might not pump like 1000x, but it's, you know, if you believe in the 140,000 narrative, or even less than that, that's a 4 or 5x from here. That's pretty cool. And guess what? If it doesn't go, it's got the best bounce back rate. So, Wojak, Ethereum's another one, by the way. Wojak $1 billion market cap soon. Hope so, dude. Can you shout out on Billy Coin? I'm not going to start shouting. You know, a lot of times, I did it before for a joke, right? But a lot of times you tell me to shout out a coin, and then they clip that part and put it on Twitter and say, hey, the crypto factor said this coin after he called Pepe and this and that. Come on, dude. Don't do that. Any thoughts on launch pads? Ever heard of Elevate? I've heard of launch pads. I'm actually invested in some of them, not Elevate Pad though. So I got 57 likes. It's like not even 7 likes. If you guys like this video, I'll give you my list of meme coins I'm holding and I think are going to do very well. But you have to hit the like button. I want some engagement. I want to know. I need a way to know that you want me to give you this. Is it over for Pepe? No, I don't think it's over for Pepe. I think Pepe is sleeping, and I think Pepe is going to have another run, possibly reaching Shiba Inu heights as to right now. So I think Pepe is going to do well. I just don't know when it's going to do well. And of course, it's risky. It might not do well at all. I might be wrong, but I'm betting it's going to do extremely well. Buy poor token. Okay. I just like these names. Hi Paul, what do you think about KVAL? I haven't heard of it, I can't really answer. What do you think about SBGBB? Everyone's calling all these low cryptocurrencies. I don't know where you're hearing them from. Don't believe the hype. There are some that are going to do very well, but everyone's going crazy with these coins. Okay, let me tell you what meme coins I'm holding right now. Let me tell you what meme coins I'm holding right now. And don't forget, tomorrow I got the video coming out with 2 meme coins. I'm not going to mention them today, but especially one of them, no one's really talking about it. It can actually 1000x. So make sure you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. I'm sorry, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss that video tomorrow if you haven't subscribed already. But right now, I'm going to tell you which ones I'm holding, and I'm going to tell you why I think they're going to do well, or at least some of them, okay? Number 1 is Nezuko coin. I really think Nezuko coin can do well. It just had a dip. I think it could do well. It's a low market cap. A lot of very powerful influencers, people that trade meme coins, degens, are talking about Nezuko. And Nezuko is an anime cryptocurrency, or an anime meme coin. So it's actually quite interesting. It's got its thing. Now, Bob is another one, B-O-B. And the reason is that's actually AI-driven bot on Twitter. And you can actually ask it questions and interact with it. Elon Musk has interacted with Bob. He has, and even said he loves Bob. And it's not fake. He actually has interacted with Bob. So that's another one I'm holding. Wojak, because of the memeability, I think it might be one of the next Pepes because it is an actual meme, especially in crypto. Now, I don't know if it's going to go as high. Maybe there's enough FOMO going in, but Wojak should also do very well. PooCoin, which I already called. PooCoin I called before the 3,500 pump. I think it might have another leg up. Let's see what happens if this meme coin mania narrative continues, and PooCoin should do another move right there. Dino is another one that I think might do well. Mong coin, I think Mong coin's going to do really well because of Bitlord, right? He's behind Mong coin, and they're trying to make it stick. They're trying to make it stick and actually grow, and I think they have a good chance. By the way, I love the story with Mongo. It actually stands for Mongoose, and they're making fun of a politician. It was a congressman, I believe, and he was just making up coins. They kept on saying Mongoose, like, I just made it up, and they just made it into a meme coin. I thought that was really funny, by the way. Then you have Turbo coin. Turbo has potential, so make sure you look at Turbo. And of course, I'm also holding Pepe and Floki as well as Doge. And I'm not holding Shiba right now, believe it or not. Don't ask me why. But you have to reallocate from somewhere into something. Now, some meme coins I think are going to do well, which I don't hold yet. You can actually front run me. I actually talked about them in yesterday's video, but I don't hold them yet. And I do want to hold them, but it's not time yet. I'm not going to buy any more meme coins until I take profits from something else. One is Lambo coin, Win Lambo. The other one is Small Sue. Make sure you check that out. And the last one is Wasi. Wasi coin should do very well. Now, don't forget, tomorrow, I'm going to give you 2 cryptocurrencies, 2 meme coins that no one's talking about. At least one of them, no one's talking about it, that I really think in 1000x. We're going to talk about it tomorrow. You live in Greece? Really? Where do you live in Greece, bro? We should get together. Poor is the next, okay. Some shilling there. Okay, you're Web3 superstar. You keep on saying poor, poor, poor over again. I'm going to have to ban you or put you in a timeout. Please don't. It just messes up the chat and you're not shilling. You're just doing a disservice to the cryptocurrency you're trying to shill. It's really bad marketing. And as a marketing expert, actually, that's what I do in C-level positions in and out of the blockchain and public speaking on the matter. It's really crappy. It just makes you look cheap. So don't do that. Do you have class in Greek? No, I speak Greek perfectly. I'm actually Greek. Used or link for Mexi? Use your Oh, thank you very much, honey. I really appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I live in Ulifada. Oh, I live in Ulifada. Interesting. We should go chill out at Jack's Lounge or something. Heard of Tang token? No, I haven't. Something to do with cannabis crypto. That's probably why I haven't heard of it. Europe is in the hose? Hi, Paul. What do you think about GFAL? I answered before, Mohammed. I don't know about it. Bobo looks good on Token Sniffer. Okay. Check that out one day. What do you think is going on with Gala? Coinbase is delisting. I don't know, but I think it's probably drama. I don't know until I didn't even know they're delisting it. So I actually missed that news. They're probably delisting it for something to do with the law. Maybe they think it's a security, or maybe someone's going to go after it, or maybe it looks like a security, and maybe they want to just delist some cryptocurrencies. Like say, look, SEC, I delisted these cryptocurrencies because we're trying to, do what you're telling us. But maybe they're just a victim, right? Or maybe it's got something to do with the upgrade, which I don't think so, and it just relists after the upgrade. I'm not sure. Billy the Hidden Gem. Billy, okay. Sorry for the dumb question. Is cryptocurrency could be retirement investment? I'm 33. Yes, but I would only plan on it with Bitcoin. Maybe Ethereum, but Bitcoin would be the one I'd be planning at this point. And even that is high risk, but it's also high risk not to have it, right? So if you know about sound hard money principles, if you read about economics, you'll see that Bitcoin is one that you should be holding, kind of like gold. Not a dumb question. It's a great question, by the way. Best gaming coin and low cap AI coin. I'm going to make some videos about that, Stephen. I also made some videos about these. You can actually check them out on my channel. I don't want to bore everyone here. But if you go to my channel at my videos section right here, I should have, by the way, watch this video, The Secret System to Win Big in Cryptocurrency. Very important video, this one. But I should have one about altcoins that will explode. No, there's one that should be with AI tokens, AI altcoins. AI cryptocurrency coins make a fortune with pennies. This video right here, check it out. I might retitle it because it's not doing that well, but yeah, check out this video right here and check out, there's more if you scroll down, by the way. What else do we have here? Newt is BSC, okay? Anytime you sell or trade a coin for another, you have to claim the tax return in the US. Well, that sucks. Again, I'm not an accountant. I can't give you tax advice. I'd probably find a way to avoid that. Just saying. I'm not sure if you can. I'm just saying. Yeah, Ethereum fees running. I'm not condoning you do that, by the way. I'm not saying, you get a wallet that's decentralized and you use a VPN and you never, use them to transfer to an exchange or your bank account and just peer-to-peer when you take your money. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying that is obviously an option. I'm not telling you not to pay your taxes. I'm just saying that maybe, there's a way to pay taxes once you cash out and do it with capital gains. You have to ask an accountant for this. Yeah, Ethereum fees start running a smooth 50. 50 is fine, man. It's 80 and 100 what I'm worried about. What's the next PEPE coin? I'm not going to answer that because I already talked about that. I just give you a whole list of coins. You have to take, when it comes to meme coins, you have to take a venture capitalist approach. Let me explain what a venture capitalist approach is. Venture capitalists, they invest in 10, 20 companies. They know one or maybe two will do well. The rest will flop, but those 1 or 2 that will do well will far out exceed the losses on the other ones that don't. Does that make sense? That's what we do with meme coins. Pooh, Newt. Lambo, I understand, my friend. Awesome. What up, brother? What up? What up? Like the damn video, says Ahmed. I agree. You should. You should like the video. I am so glad to see you looking healthy. Thank you very much. I went through some very, very hard times. For those of you that don't know, I went through cancer, 3rd time, had a bone marrow transplant. Actually, I had CAR-T therapy, which was extremely hard. It was insane times. Plus, my parents both died. My sister died. It's weird. Love you, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you very much, man. Bro, keep doing a good job. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. May I ask, where do people buy tokens before they get launched on exchanges? Usually on Uniswap or DEXs, decentralized exchanges. There's Uniswap is 1inch. There's Sushi. There's PancakeSwap, depending on what you're buying, what chain you're buying on. Web superstar, you keep on saying poor all the time. Don't make me put you in a timeout. That's the last time. You better delete the rest of your chat messages if you mention poor again, because I will put you in a timeout or block you completely. I'm enjoying your video at Glifada Bolivar Beach. Glifada Bolivar Beach, my man. Do you know my DJ James? Go to DJ James. Say Paul D says hi. Paul D, you know, is actually MC Paul D was my MC name. I actually used to MC for quite a few years. I had some hit tracks. I was on a record label and I used to tour around. Yeah. I bought Singularity Net token, very good. When you got the same days, I'm happy. Thanks so much. Yeah, you're very welcome. I talked about Singularity a lot. I think it's going to do a lot better, by the way. Congratulations. Do you think Ethereum can hit 9,000? Yes, I really do think it can. I do. I firmly believe so. Bob has utility. Yes, it does. Pepe is king. Bob is on a meme token. It's an AI Twitter bot disguised as a meme coin. It's a meme coin. It just has some functionality. Yes, sir. Wasi. Space to run for sure. Yep. Bob as well. Yep. Shill your own coins, noob. What are you talking about? Okay. Listen, Web3 superstar, whatever. Listen, okay, let me explain something to you. First of all, don't make comments like that when you don't watch the channel because you don't know what you're talking about. We made a lot of calls. And I even just told you that I don't hold Lambo, Small, or Wasi. Why would I be shilling my own? You know what? Forget it. I'm just going to block you. Actually, no, I'm going to put you in the timeout because I feel sorry for you. Look, I really don't care what you think, man. A lot of people have been making small fortunes on this channel, and to be quite honest with you, you have to understand, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm literally a C-level executive. I just went through cancer. That's why I'm not working the last year. And I also have this channel for branding. So you can see me public speaking with the University of Nicosia on blockchain marketing, sales with Tom Vase, with Gorilla Buzz, and so on. You can see me doing a lot of stuff around the world, but hey, it is what you can believe what you want. Market tomorrow will run very hard. 3M MC. Okay. Cash. Any opinion? I don't. Hey, what's up, Cyprus? I'm actually half Cypriot. I don't know about the crypto. I'm sorry. I can't answer about something I don't know, man. Nandora says, hi, please, when you talk about coin, show us the correct name on Dex Tools. Yeah, that is a good idea. Which one are you referring to so we can check it out? The abandoned ship. What do you think? Who abandoned ship? What am I missing here? Bro, I live in Nel Cosmo. Nel Cosmo. Awesome, dude. That's pretty close to you, father. What's a good number of Pepe to hold? Have you taken profits already? Have you not taken profits? Or you buy? I don't know I can't really answer that. Before the pump, the more the merrier, right? I will be happy to see you, bro. Awesome, man. We'll arrange it, dude. We'll arrange it. DM me or something on Twitter. Go to my Twitter page here. It's MC Paul D, right? MC Paul D is my name on Twitter. If you haven't followed me, by the way, follow. I do share some really cool alpha, but not just crypto. Just saying, okay, on my Twitter. But yeah, anybody who wants to follow me. It's MC Paul D. Let's see what else we have here. I will be able to see you up. If Pepe's market cap goes up to 10 billion, do you think Pepe will eat 2 more zeros? I don't know. It doesn't work that way. I know a lot of people say if it doubles, it's doubled. It's not. If you do the math, it doesn't work that way. There's a lot of variance that skew with it, and the truth is I'm not an expert on it. Nunchaking, Paul, a couple of years ago, you called Solana to pump. Yeah, $2. After Solana 5x. Oh, that was when I was, it was at $70 then, when everybody was telling you to get out. Because I called it initially at $2, and then I called it again at $70. I'm like, no, it's going to go to $250, $300 if you remember. 150, and then if it breaks 180, 250 or something like that, you could watch the video back. Yeah, I remember that. I took out profits and spread initial bag across several utility coins, prime for the next bull run. I just wanted to say thank you. You're very welcome. I love it when people succeed. I love it when people do things, man. It really makes me happy. Do you have a tutorial for noobs on how to buy Uniswap? Yes, Diane, I actually do. If you go to my channel right here, right here on the Crypto Factor channel, just click videos, the videos tab, scroll down. Here's one of them, Uniswap tutorial right here. And also there's MetaMask with Uniswap right here. I actually suggest you watch this one, it's bigger. And there's more, I have more on PancakeSwap and so on. So yeah, I do have tutorials on my YouTube channel. I think Sponge is the next Pepe. What are your thoughts? I don't think so, and I don't know. But I can't really answer because I haven't looked into it at all. So I can't really answer that. And market cap on its own is not a factor. What's your verdict for Bitcoin reaching 1 million? Or okay, so if here's what I think. I actually talked about this on Around the Blockchain on BitBoy Crypto's channel. So if Bitcoin goes to 100 to 140,000 this bull run, all right, even if it goes to 250, but I'm looking at 100, 140. I'm going to be taking profits to 84, 100, 140, right? But it can go to 200, 250, but I'm looking at 100 and 140. Then next bull run after that, it's what, a 5x, a 4x to reach 1 million? It's not that hard to do, or it's not that inconceivable to do. Now maybe it goes to 700 or 800,000, all right? But if you really think about it, we could see it in the next 10 years based on market cycles, based on 4-year cycles, right? It's not that impossible. Just like it's not impossible for it to go to 0, by the way. When Lambo, your thought is Peppo. I don't know what Peppo is. I'm not sure if you mean Pepe or Peppo. Oh my God, so happy you're recovering. Yeah, I'm doing very well. Thank God, man. Thank God I'm doing extremely well. Better every day, healthier every day, stronger every day. It's actually quite awesome. It's actually quite awesome. Really, bro, I wish to meet you. Yeah, message me on Twitter. Let's do it. Let's do it. Pepe AI on pink sale. Okay. We should meet for coffee, bro. Let's do coffee. We love coffee in Greece, by the way. In Greece, everyone goes for coffee. Let's do coffee. Let's go for coffee. Yeah, let's do coffee. But English father, don't make me come down to Nel Cosmo. We'll go to kayak or something. Boob. Don't know what boob is. Oh, Bob. Bob. Okay. Congrats on beating cancer. Thank you very much, man. My best friend is in his 5th month of chemo. It's not an easy thing. No, it's not, man. It's really bad. But yeah, it's a struggle, but if you have to keep moving. You have to keep moving. Tell your friend I would love to, Michelle, send me a message on Twitter, send me a DM. I'd love to send you a digital copy of one of my first books, that I wrote. It's called Success IAO, Improvise, Adapt, Overcome. It's an entrepreneurial book. It's on how to make money, but it's more of a mindset thing. I actually wrote that while I was fighting cancer. I would love to send a copy for you and your friend. Block that dude. Yeah, he'll go. He'll you know, he knows when he'll go, or he'll apologize or say something stupid. That dude go what he deserves. But that was nice. I only put him on timeout. Some people, they realize their mistake after. Some people are just idiots and they don't. But maybe he's one of those guys that actually realizes his mistake. Paul, please play a clip from you emceeing in your next live. You want to do one now? Hit the like button. And hit the like button and click the number one in the chat if you want to see me emceeing right now in this live stream. Hit number 1 and the like button just so I can see how many people hit like, so I can play you a clip of me emceeing if you want to. I'll play you a small clip of a music video actually of me emceeing if you want. And it's actually it's got hidden messages in it and everything. I could show you it. But show me that you want to see it. Show me that you want to see it. You are the crypto king, no YouTuber. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you. Hi Paul, hope you are well. Our Luna Classic, and come on, I've been telling you guys to get out of that shit ever since day one. I mean, I made a mistake. I changed my Radium into Luna, and it went up. I did very well, and then it just rugged. So I did, and then I tried to buy the dip, and I told you my mistake. I actually told you that I made that mistake. I said it on a live stream. I made a video about it. People giving me shit, but hey, we can't get everything right. But I told you, that's it. It's over. It's done. It's gone. And give up. Gaining Pepe girl. I took your fabulous advice yesterday and sold enough Pepe to reimburse my initial investment. Yes, now I have 150 million free ride. A great feeling, isn't it? Isn't it? Always take profits. Always take profits. How do you catch a meme coin before it shoots? I always end up missing. Yeah, it's kind of hard to figure it out. Look at what's trending on Twitter. Look at Dex Tools. Look at Morales Money. If you actually want, you can go. I have a video on it, actually, as a matter of fact. Let me see if I can find it real quick. If you go on my videos here and you scroll down, there should be a meme coin one with a... Where is it? Right here, I think this is... No, it's not the one. There's one with this one. Will Doge 100x. Check that. Sorry. Turn $1,000 into a fortune. This one at the end explains how you can actually call meme coins and so on. But yeah, watch my videos. Usually, I'm pretty good at predicting meme coins and coins in general. I might miss a few, but I'm pretty good. I'm seeing 104 likes. I think that means I should show you a clip of me emceeing. I'm not sure. Click number 1 in the chat. I'm seeing a lot of ones. I will do it. I'll show you a clip. Why not? Let me show you a clip. And then we'll go back to the chat. Let me just go find it real quick. Here. Revolution. Let's do Revolution. Revolution. Annette Artani Paul. This video was taken down and re-put up because of some idiotic things with my label. My previous label, but I have it on my channel, so check it out. Gotta put the sound on. Yeah, so that's one of my music videos. That's called Revolution with me and Annette Artani, Paul D, Annette Artani. I have a lot more, man. I hope you like that. I actually directed and I actually produced the music video on that, wrote the lyrics and everything too. And not my lyrics. I didn't write Annette's lyrics, except for, like, the title. What, did you like that video? I hope you liked that video. Hit the like button if you liked that video. Hit the dislike button if you didn't like the video. Why hasn't BitGert gotten more recognition? Maybe they need better marketing. Maybe they should hire me. They should reach out. I mean, I used to be a marketing director of Coin Metro, fully licensed and regulated crypto exchange. I can get them out. I can get them known very easily if they want to reach out to me. What meme coins do you have? I mentioned them earlier on, Gordon. Just watch the video again. I actually mentioned quite a few. Catch Pepper Girl, okay. Hi from UK. Brother, what's up, UK? I'm new in cryptocurrency. When is the next bull run? We're in it. We're in the next bull run. I called the low at 15.6 before we even got there. Won a bet with Gareth Soloway that was the bottom for 15 to 17K. And yeah, I won that bet because we went over 20K by the end of that year. Or we didn't go under 15K by the end of the year. But Boy says Sui will hit top 20. I don't know what people say, Mike. I'm not sure. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. I don't know what Boy who Boy is. Oh, but BitBoy? It might do. I don't know. I don't like Sui. I'm not looking at Sui now, though. When I looked at Sui, I said it's going to dump. I'm not sure if it's going to go back up or do well. That's two different things. What do you think about XRP meme? I think XRP will do well, man. Just not going to go $10,000. I think it's going to go to maybe $4 to $7 if it breaks all-time highs, but we need to break $1 first in all-time highs for it to do that. And it possibly can if it wins the SEC case. I have not looked at Squid Grow. 2024 maybe. Mong, Ray here. Nice. I like Mong. Wall Street Bets Classic. Yeah, but I think the original one is Wall Street's Bets Baby or Baby Wall Street or something like that. I think people are getting them confused. Which one came out first and which came out after. I'm not sure though. Profit and Tools, Dex Tools, and Dex Screener. Also Morales Money. Check out Morales Money. It's Ivan on Tech's app. I'll send you a DM on Twitter. Yep, go ahead. One more question. AI Doge. I own some AI Doge. It might do well when Dogecoin does well. We'll see. Maybe there's trickle down effects. But it's basically a very risky play. People saying one. Monkeys token is the next meme already. Okay. None of those choices called monkeys. Okay, monkeys. People are shilling monkeys. And get yourself a bag of... Yep, stop chilling now. You're doing the same thing as the other guy I had to ban. Don't do that. Please don't do that. It makes it very hard for me to navigate the chat and other people to navigate the chat. See, now I lost the chat. Don't make me ban people. Please don't repeat stuff. It just doesn't work. All right, so people are coming and shilling monkeys. Great. If any of my mods are online, can you just like put these people in timeout? And if they do it again, just ban them completely. Valentine Andrew, man, quick math. I really listen to you about only double my portfolio each month. I think I'm already feeling millionaire. It was a good video, huh? Thank you for the advice. May not be soon, but I can live with that. Yeah, man, just the numbers game, right? All you have to concentrate is doubling your money each time. Now, I know that sounds logical, but a lot of people don't get this. If you have $100 and you just try to double it each time, over 10 times, you'll probably be a millionaire. Do the math. Or I think it's $1,000. With $100, it takes 11 or 12 times. But yeah, but it puts you in perspective on what to concentrate on, if that makes sense. And each time you have more capital to invest. My friends, what's your verdict for Mongoose? I think it's going to do good. I think Mongoose is going to do good, if anything, because BitLord is behind it, right? And BitLord's is actually quite serious about it. Look at the distribution of top whales holders. Whales. Yeah, but what are you talking about, Julio? Which one? All right, I'm gonna cite. We are supporting Elon's monkey list. So many monkeys. Everywhere there's monkeys, just shilling. This is the kind of shilling that makes me not talk about coins, or makes me not, like it just puts me off completely. It's really bad marketing, really bad. It's so cheap, so cheap. Yasu Bavlo Chin Chin, girlfriend of Dogecoin and Coinbase custody, nice. All these memes won't last. No, probably not. Only a couple will. Maybe Pepe does. We'll see. All right, now we have a whole bunch of shillers in the live stream. Oh, great. Don't I have any mods on today? Where are my mods? Very well done. Diana, you're becoming a mod just because you're cool. Here, let me just put you in a mod. Add as a moderator. You now have a wrench. You can hide and put users in time. Do not abuse your power. But anybody that's shilling something over and over and over again, put them in a timeout. If they keep on doing, just ban them. If you want, if you have time, that is. Because I can't read my messages here. It's ridiculous. And no one's going to buy this shit because you just keep on saying it, by the way. Everyone knows your bots and stuff. Pepe is on Maxi. Yes, it is, Dan. Sharif Demars, you're becoming a mod. I know you. Add as a moderator. Sharif Demars, you are now the mod. You have the wrench of truth. Use it wisely. I'm just going... I'm just going through all the... I can't read my... What are your thoughts about Altura? I think Altura is good. I think Altura will do very good. Cody's okay. I think other cryptocurrencies are going to outperform it, but I think it's okay. Also, right, you're becoming a mod. If I know you very well, then you're becoming mods. Yeah, Diane, I was talking to you. I have no clue how to be a moderator. That's okay. You can be one anyway. Just don't abuse your power. If you right-click on a name on the little 3 dots, you can actually put them in timeout or even hide them completely from the channel. But don't abuse your power. I trusted you. I put trust in you. Yeah, none of my mods are on Also, right is a mod now. There you go. Strong monkey community. You mean strong spammers, dude? That's not marketing. Like, people like me... Okay, I'll give you an example. So, I'm a YouTuber, right? I make videos all the time. Yesterday's video has over 15,000 views, okay? When people spam a certain cryptocurrency, I just never talk about it. I don't give a shit if it goes 1000x or 500x because I make calls like that all the time. But what you're effectively doing is making me not talk about it and hate the project and not even look into it. So yeah, great, you heard of monkeys. Maybe a few people look at it. Well, people with money like me are not going to even touch it with a 10-foot pole because you're spamming and you're pissing me off. So yeah, well done, congratulations. And I can tell you that I talk to crypto YouTubers all the time. They're under the same thing, believe me. I'm on Around the Blockchain. We talk about this before and after the show. We just don't even touch these cryptocurrencies because we get pissed off. Bro, this guy's whack as fuck. Thank you very much. I hope you're not talking about me. Spam still has you talking about it. Yeah, but I just explained it. Yeah, we talked about it. So there's a coin called monkeys there. Congratulations, you get a shout out. I'm not investing in it. And a lot of people are not. It's stupid. And look, now people are getting banned left and right. They can't ever talk about it on my channel again. Whilst if they were talking about it a little bit, then I would probably look into it. But now they're just getting banned or hidden, and they're not gonna. And guess what? You're not gonna be hearing about it in my next live stream. See, it's a live stream. It's not gonna last forever, right? And basically, what you're gonna do is not gonna be talking about it, and they can't be talking about it. Ah, man. GA says, okay, let's talk serious then. Be logical. Why? You guys are talking between yourselves? Rob Paul is super bullish on SOL. I think, okay, let's talk serious about SOL. I think Solana is going to go to $1,000. I know it sounds crazy, right? Let me explain though. Let me explain. I called Solana all the way to $300 and even said that if the bull market continues, we can see $1,000 Solana. This was in the last bull run, all right? Now, granted, we got a top soon after, and I called the top on the way down. I told you to get out, but you know, Solana was only at 3x to all-time to $1,000. If we break all-time highs of $300 and something, it's a very easy 3x in the bull market to get to $1,000. Now, you might say that Solana is always offline. Yes, it is, but it has major investors behind it, and you have to understand that they have a lot of things coming. Now, Windows used to go offline all the time. Now everybody has Windows. But if you remember the infamous Windows blue screen, you had Windows ME, more errors. You had Windows XP, extra problems. I mean, generally, it didn't do well. Solana is going for a certain play, and I think it's going to do very well. It will just take time. That's just my opinion here, by the way. I'm very bullish on Solana. Now you and you, as well as your followers, all have. If this is how you think marketing works, fine, keep doing it. Let's see how you do well. Marketing 101, attention is attention, negative or positive. I'm not going to sit and talk marketing about you. I have like all those books over there. The ones on the wall, I've actually written them. And the ones on the shelf are just some of my books which I actually read. No, it doesn't work that way. That doesn't have a big impact. You have to look at conversion. Okay, you have to look at conversion rates, and you have to look at impact. That's not the way you do it. You know, right now there's 1,000 million different spam shit coins that are out there, and you're just classifying yourself as one. That's not the same thing as recognition. I agree with I agree with the saying, spell my name right and say whatever you want about me. Just spell my name right, but this is not the same thing. There's a difference between marketing and being desperate and an attention hole. You know, you have that slutty girl that's on the side pavement that looks like shit, and they get a lot of attention. Transgenders get a lot of attention. The woke generation and everything doesn't mean it's good. No bots, just morons. I agree. Is PEPE pumping? I don't know. Let's have a look. Might pump up again. Looks like it's held this resistance line here, this support line over here. Maybe it pumps up. We'll see. What do you think? Which can move from your list? Which one I think it can move from my list? I don't know, man. Salman, it's a venture capitalist approach. Like I said earlier on, I can't really give an answer to that when it comes to meme coins anyway. Is Solana still alive? Thought it was done. It keeps on dying. Keep on bringing it back to life. It keeps on dying and coming back. The UK futures trade is still quite new to crypto. Came in last year and got wrecked. Yeah, it happens, man. When you talk about taking profits, do you just take your initial investment? That's taking your initial investment out. Once you make some money, take out your initial investment, leave the rest run, and just take profits every time it goes up enough, depending on your strategy and time frame. That's the best way I could answer real quick on a live stream. Atom or AVAX, I think they're both going to do very well. Solana is cheap right now too. Atom. Any thoughts on Flux? Nah. I'm over Flux, man. We did the marketing for Flux and Coin Metro. That's been a while now. Lots of huge projects and development coming on Solidity, Solana. Yep. Sell me your Solana at $17. Marketing 101. Laugh out loud. It's moron idiocy 101 or moronicity. Zen Network. Best of all, crypto you don't know. Blah blah blah. Okay. I've heard about Zen. You know what? Maybe I don't know if it's not the best of all cryptos, obviously, but it can do well and it has done well. I'll be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I kind of shied away from it when I heard about it. I should have looked more into it. Altcoin season when? We have meme coin season right now. Let's see. Yeah, look, if you guys wanna, if anybody wants to talk to me about marketing, here, since you're a company and you want to market, if you really want to market, you can actually hire me. When it comes to marketing consulting, $1,197 an hour, and sales also the same price. These are actually on discount right now. So if you want to, and here are what people are saying about me. You have a lot of people talking about me, saying about how I help them succeed in their companies. I have more, I have to put them up. But yeah, or if you don't want to do that and you don't have the money yet, and that's why you're shilling your product so much, you can go to the books here on my website, cryptofactor.net, and you can buy the Crypto Marketing Essentials and the Crypto Marketing Playbook. And I also recommend the 5 P's of Persuasion and the Closes Part 3. This one was actually written with a living legend that worked with Napoleon Hill. Really think you should check those out. Got some more. But yeah. No one takes free advice though. What do I think of Matic? I'm very bullish on Matic. Robert, Matic is one of my best holdings after Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think Matic will do extremely well. Yeah, it's like the spamming. It's like everyone says, oh yeah, but now we're talking about it. It's like a transvestite, woke, ugly, and I'm not saying there's no beautiful ones, man, but I'm talking about an ugly, low-class $2 hooker that you wouldn't even look at. Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Yeah, that's not marketing, dude. It's like, what do you think your conversion and closing rate is? Look, you're talking about me. Yes, I'm making fun of you. We're talking about you, but how are we talking about you? Right? Do you know what I mean? I mean, there's a huge difference here. Talking about someone, think, come on. Bob Turbo, haha. Haha, I never heard of haha. Monk, what is haha? I like that. Wait, I have to look into it. I never heard of haha. Haha, is there a haha? There's a haha. Oh, Hasaki, but it's called haha. That's good marketing. This is good. It made me laugh. Haha. That's actually quite funny. Look at that. Okay, it's basing off a dog token, so it's going for recognition here. Trend stacking. Yeah, so it's trend stacking with capable AI and so on. That's pretty cool. I might check that out later. Marie, stop, man. How is that moronic? I've worked with multi-billion-dollar companies, by the way. You should do a Google search on me. It's not that hard. I just explained. Look, we can agree to disagree. I think it's stupid marketing, but I have a whole marketing playbook. If you disagree with it, then that's a different story, and you're entitled to. But yeah, doing that 14 million. I'm sorry, but my penis right now, I can take a picture of my penis, make a coin out of it, and I'll get more than a $14 million market cap, possibly, right? I mean, you have all kinds of shit out there, so that's not impressive. Try working with land banking, all right, and do marketing for that. There's a big difference. I'm asking about Mana. Yeah, I do think Mana is a good pick. Listen, when it comes to Mana and Sand respectively, once Metaverse kicks in again, companies are going to start getting into Metaverse. You already have Adidas and Nike and some big companies like that getting into Metaverse. Now, as these companies get into metaverse, other companies have to do the same thing. Otherwise, because of competition, right? Because of opportunity lost. So let's say they put a few million into a metaverse just to stay relevant. The upside, even just talking about it, as people talk about it, look, this company got into metaverse, is cheaper marketing than actually putting TV ads and stuff like that. So, and other companies have to do it as well, because they risk not going up with them, losing relevance, but also a few million is nothing for them, right? So they have to get into it as well. Now, as they talk about it, people talk about it, and that's how you get viral news out of it. Does that make sense? I short Pepe on Binance and make... That's good, man. That was a good call. Have you heard about Lean? No, I haven't. Love, hate, E. No, I haven't heard about it. Joined late. Do you have Pepe? Yes, I do have Pepe. But I also took profits. If you guys want to see when I take profits, if you just go to my my YouTube channel here, let me show you real quick, just so you don't think I'm talking shit here. If you go to my community tab right here, just scroll down. This is when I called it, blah, 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 blah. Some coins I called early on. Look, I bought some meme coins last night from Pepe profits, right? So I took profits on Pepe right here. Took Pepe profits again. And if you keep on scrolling down, you'll see took profits on Pepe, leaving a nice bag in case it goes crazy, which it did, and so on. So you can see I usually post when I take profits, not all the time, because I don't have, I do other things in my life, but I do, post on my community tab. So make sure you check it out. ZK Sync, my guys. Yep. By the way, if you hear slurping and stuff in the background, I don't know if you can see him, is my dog right there. Mute Zigzag. Robert Kiyosaki is bullish on Solana. Oh, cool. I like Robert, by the way. Doubling is tough. I can divide easy, though. For a meme coin, I am going with Jesus coin. Okay. You should probably be able to stake it and gain faith tokens. That would be really cool. Compound your gains. Put out near top. Buyback support point. Yep. L2s will be the play beside monkeys. Ah, man, I lost where I was again. Let me go up. Arb or Aptos? Arbitrum or Aptos? That's a good question. Who knows? I just lost where I was in chat, though. It's ridiculous. I have to find where I was. Here, you got 125 likes, sir. Yes, I did. That is pretty awesome, dude. I'll just continue from here. If I missed your chat, I'm sorry. Repeat it or something. Pepe AI. Who got an ARB airdrop? Who got a Sui? Ooh. I think I should have got, I'm not sure. Zendoge, Xdoge, y'all frauds in the space. Yo frauds, dude, I know the plays. Are you talking about me? Have you looked into, whatever, I don't know. No stop loss for memes. Yeah. Well, you can on MEXC. There's stop losses and stuff. Of course there is. You can do that. What can you say about Chinese coins? What do you mean? What do you mean, what can I say? They might go up. There'll be a narrative there. I'm losing my voice, by the way. I think Pepe can reach 10 million market cap. It's quite possible, Julio. It might not be hard, it might not be easy, but it's very possible. But not now, in the hyper bull market, maybe. Dude, look at the monkeys chart and tell me the math. Here, let me do something better. Let me just put you in a timeout and then ban you if you continue with the monkey shit. Turbo, I think, is good, by the way. I think it's a good bet. Haha is an icon, yeah. I don't look at the haha. Wasi could be good. I'm gonna look at haha. Tiger just announced contract. Okay, doesn't mean I haven't looked into it. Too new. Is there any time in the market where everyone isn't spreading FUD? No, not really. There's always FUD. When the FUD stops, that's when you should sell, by the way. Just exit all markets. I'm grabbing some wine and spending the entire evening watching your videos. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you, Diane. Gala games are dumped 50%. Should buy now or wait for token upgrade? If you can buy now, if you really want to, you can. But do some research. Let's see why there's a dump. I'd probably buy some now. I was a day trader for 12 years before Crypto Monkey is not a good play. Yeah, I used to teach. Yeah, I agree. Julia, I haven't seen the charts, of course, so I'm not sure. But I used to teach a fundamental and technical analysis for Forex trading before I even got into crypto. And that was for a company, Teletrade, a Profit Point by Teletrade. So I was a manager there, and I had to learn TA. And I used to teach TA to the people because we used to have a sales pitch at the end of the TA pitch. Does that make sense? So I had to learn. That's how I learned TA. That, and I had a mentor, a life mentor sort of thing, and he told me to learn TA till he kept on bashing me, gave me all these videos for free, $8,000 worth of videos, candlesticks and so on by Stephen Hassan, and that's how I got into it. Sorry for shouting. That's okay. That's okay. Compound the gains. Hi, always. Pull up Squid Grow. It's supposed to have pretty. I don't like Squid Grow and stuff like that. They sound weird. H bar. I don't. The name narrative just says it's out of play. Meme coins get in and out of trend so fast. Pulse Chain should do well. 001. I'm excited about Pulse Chain. I sacrificed, by the way. It's an experiment that might do very well or do nothing at all. And some cryptocurrencies will probably work well. Some not, because they won't work, because, you know, they're not the same. They might have the contracts the same, but there's no issuer or there's no one needing to use it. But that said, it might do pretty well. Pulse. I just answered about Pulse Chain. I've never gone airdrop. I have no clue how to get them. I have a video on them here. Diane, just go to my my channel. Here, let me show you. Just scroll down. You should see right here how to get a free cryptocurrency airdrops. This video right here, and then thousands airdrop. This video right here. These two videos, you can learn how to get airdrops pretty easily. There's a good starting point. There's more to look at, but it's a good start point. 150 people watching. Yes, hit that like button. I don't think I've ever had so many people watching for years since the last bull market. That is pretty cool. Mongol Day, I see 500 million. I think it could do well. XRP in the SEC meeting tomorrow, Wednesday. Is it though? I think that's a rumor, Gordon. I'm not sure if that's true. I'm not sure if that's real, to be honest with you. Quit my job to trade. It's best to see. Well done if it's working for you, man. Just make sure you have a backup plan. If you made enough money, I guess it's great, man. Keep in mind, I'm going to be very honest with you guys. I'm going to be very transparent right now. I'm not a meme coin trader, nor am I a meme expert. I just saw the narrative and made some good calls using my knowledge, experience, and you know, just feel. I called PEPE, I called PooCoin, I called these coins just like I called SafeMoon back in the day and called the top on it perfectly. But I'm not, my expertise is not in meme coins. I'm more into cryptocurrencies, portfolio man, you know, stuff like that. But you know, you got to pivot, and I saw the opportunity and got in. Any suggestions for buying Poo? Yes, I'd wait right now, but if you do see an opportunity, it might do well. But I think it might even be. It's one of those points where you don't know. You just don't know. You could go by luck. Now it's an exchange, so there's no fees. You could just go by luck, but you know. I'm being very honest, by the way. I'm trying to be extremely as honest as I can with you. People stop shilling Bobo all the time, man. I don't mind if you say it once, just don't keep on saying it over and over and over and over and over again. It's ridiculous. Diane says that's wonderful. Okay, cool. Why is bone pumping? I don't know. Bobo changed my life. Omar, stop. All right, now I'm going to start having to ban the Bobo people. Price action trading using indicators, your thoughts. You need to use both of them. But sometimes when it comes to, like, especially meme coins, there's no indicators you can really use because there's no price history. And when just the picks you get, the price, the ones that go through, it's just a self-fulfilling prophecy or by luck or a coincidence because there's no price history. Even if it works out, doesn't mean that that's correct because there's no price history to go off. I don't know if you know what let me explain. The problem with bots, for example, I'm just gonna, you'll understand what I'm saying right now, is that although something might work right now, for example, RSI does this, do that, and so on, the narrative changes and that might not work anymore, so you have to reprogram the bot. That's why bots, out of the box bots, usually don't work. Does that make sense? And this is something simple. My dog is having like a lick fit here and it's just, I think that his ear is itching here. Yeah. Sorry. Dog needs a scratch, an ear scratch. There you go. Gotta give priorities. Oh man, should I put Bobo in my banned list, like as a word? Ah, someone deleted all the Bobo ones. Thank you. Now I can see again. Awesome. Why sponge pumping? Why is this pumping? Why is that pumping? All right. I see some people I know here. Paul, do you know how long this meme season can last? Hopefully a couple of weeks or months. We'll see. If it starts over, I would give it a month. And then we'll see. We'll see how it goes. 25K or 30K first. I think 30K first, but let's see. I might be wrong. When will altcoin start? We talked about that. After 30K, support hits and holds for a while. Then it should start. I agree with Black Horse. Too many meme coins to make an educated guess. Pure casino play. Yeah. Transparently speaking, what do you not like about Squid Grow? Okay, I've never looked at it, but it just sounds like Aqua Goat and Squid something, and it's just a play of words that are in the past, not right now. That's all. Just purely as a name. I haven't looked at it. I'll be very transparent, very honest. I might be wrong. It might pump to heaven. But the problem is, it's going over an old trend. See, what a lot of things do, they do trend stacking. When you take something that's trending and you stack it with something else that's trending, right? So meme coins is a form of trend stacking. Instagram is a form of trend stacking. They took what was working with the pictures, made it picture only, and so on, and social media. So a lot of these coins are trend stacking. Cryptocurrencies in general started trend stacking with AI when AI was getting popular. So AI coins will pump, and I made a video about that, right? So basically, Squid Grow, like Squid Games and all that, that's old news. It's old news. Now it's a different narrative. We're talking about meme coin. We're not talking about utility here or anything like that, right? So you're going off names and you're going off trends. So just my 2 Satoshis. What's up, SRC, my man? How do you feel about Labs Group? I'm heavily invested. Why Bob down? Bob's, look at it as an opportunity. Been enjoying learning about BRC20 tokens. Thanks for the information provided. Appreciate you. Very welcome, Roaming Nomad. Very welcome. When do you think meme coin season ends? We answered that already. Gensler, a cool gimmick too? Yeah, I think so. Plus, they have great artwork. Thoughts on Bart? No thoughts on Bart. How are you doing, my friend? Thoughts on Fetch.ai? I think Fetch.ai is going to do very well. We talked about that, Jamie. I think Fetch.ai is a very good play. It's just not its time yet. Julia says, if you spend 10K and put 1K into 10 different meme coins and one of them pumps, you still win. Yeah, that's very true. Just have to be careful that not all of them go to shit, right? So you have to be careful. And I would do that with $100. And then once it, and then if I lose 1,000, I lost 1,000, right? So that's about 6 coins because of the fees and everything. And then just after that, just start over again once I have $1,000 again. What to do with the coins that you awarded? How can I sell them? Well, if you're talking about United Coin, I didn't give them to you. United Coin gave them to you. UC, I don't know what UC is. Since I got cancer especially, I haven't really talked about it. I have coins and I don't even have access to sell them, so I don't know. I appreciate you sharing that knowledge. Thank you very much. Hi, Paul. How do you think PEPE will do? I think it will go up. I think it will reach Shiba Inu at some point. I think it might reach Shiba Inu. If Europe is worried about CBDC as we are in the States, most people here who pay attention to markets have no idea what. Yeah, CBDCs are a nightmare, KLM. I've talked about CBDCs and I'm very against them, by the way. I think there's too much control and it gives too much paved way to religious aspects like the sign of the beast, the mark of the beast, if you believe that stuff. But even if not, then there's just too much control. It's ridiculous. Hi, Paul. Do you think Richard Hart is still right about 10? No, I don't. I never thought he was, or we disagreed with Richard Hart on that. AI hype will continue. Yes, I think it will. Sean Eno going crazy. Okay, what's up, long time? Yep, it is a long time for you to be on a live chat, man. But I enjoy your comments, dude. Inverse Pepe isn't okay. 200%, okay. Quiz, all these coins that pump like in a day, you have to understand it's very easy to pump because it's very low liquidity. So with a few $100, you can pump it 200%. Doesn't really mean anything. Yeah, there's a lot of other things you have to look at. Just saying, I'm not saying this is the case for this coin. I'm just saying. The only thing free in the USA is the air for now, yeah. The rest is regulated by government. Yeah. You guys have a crony capitalism problem there, and now it's becoming very radical left. Bobo and Wojak, bro, okay. That's trend stacking, by the way. If this is actually, Topzilla, I'm not saying you're doing this right now, but just to refer to something before everyone going bobo, 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 that was dumb. But if you do something like, and not do it all the time, but use credibility by association, like Bobo and Pepe coin, right? That's credibility by association. Interviews like Be with Andreas Antonopoulos, John McAfee, and so on. That's credibility with association. They wrote in my book. See what I just did there? Things like that works in marketing. That's actually smart. Do you think Radix mainnet? I don't like Radix. Yes, sorry. Radix main release will be bullish. I think Radix will do very well. I then talked about Radix, and I actually hold Radix, by the way. Is Shiba Inu and AI Doge worth our time? I don't know. I own some AI Doge as a fluke because an Arbitrum maybe in the future does something, but I don't know. That is just a 100% luck play by me. I think Render will do well. It depends what you mean by long-term hold, though, right? It depends what you mean by long-term hold. But I think it will do well in the bull market. All right, guys, I'm going to go to the movies and watch Guardians of the Galaxy Part 3. I don't know if you've watched this. Don't give me any spoiler alerts, but I'm going to go watch it with my girlfriend tonight. Thank you very much. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate you. I really love you guys. I really do, genuinely. Hit the like button one last time if you haven't hit it already, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Thank you very much. Love you. Bye-bye.